morning. Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Yes, here also we are all fine. So, you are staying safe because you are at home. So, you should be safe, right? Eating healthy foods, drinking water, drinking citrus juices, citrus fruits, right? So, these are the things to be safe, to be eat, right? So now this is our revision part. Children, everybody got your PDFs, syllabus, timetable. When is our exam? Our exam is on 15th of this month, 15th February, right? Okay, so for that we should have a revision, because you people want a revision more. That is oral, GK, rhyme, right? So now this part will be having a oral, right? Understood? So what is that oral part? From A to E, you have to say the spellings, right? Okay, see this. Shall I start it? Okay. This is, what is this? Apple. Now you want to say the spelling. A-P-P-L-A, apple. Right? A-P-P-L-A, apple. A-P-P-L-A, apple. Right? A-P-P-L-A, apple. And next comes ant. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. Chima, chima. A-N-T, ant. Right? Then bus. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Right? B-U-S, bus. Ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Cap. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Car. C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Quack, quack. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Right? And doll. D-O-L-L, doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Right? And this is egg, omelette. Okay? Egg. E-G-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. Then eagle, right? E-A-G-L-E, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle, right? Now let's have once more. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-N-T, ant. B-U-S, bus. B-A-L-L, ball. C-A-P, cap. C-A-R, car. D-U-C-K, duck. D-O-L-L, dog. E-G-G, egg. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Right? These are the words you have to say it oral. Right? Okay. And from A to R. This is our phonic fun book. In this, you have pictures. You have to learn, see the pictures and read the word, name of that pictures. Right? Understood? Like apple, ant, aeroplane. Okay? Axe. Here will be some words they are using in the story. I showed you the picture cards now. So the same names will be here, pictures will be here. You have to read this from A to R. Okay. And From the next, this is picture dictionary. From the picture dictionary book, we have page number 22, 23. We have the pictures of water transport and seasons, holidays, right? Water transport, holidays and seasons. In the water transport, what is that we are going to use? We are going to use a boat, right? A raft, a sailboat and a ship, right? Raft, boat, motorboat, sailboat, ship. These are the water transport. And this is holidays. This is holidays. That is suitcase, air ticket, train ticket. Okay. And this is camel. This is sand. This is, what is this? This is a tent. Okay. So all these we use in the holiday trip. Okay. And this is a summer season. Summer season where we use in the swimming pool. We go to the swimming pool. See here. What is this? Lemonade. We are drinking. These both are drinking lemonade, lemon juice. And this is the water. You want to go and swim in the water, right? And eating ice creams. Okay, eating ice creams. These are the fruits. Mango, watermelon. Okay, these are the vegetables. Okay, so these are all called as the summer things we use here, right? So this is another one, and we have a rhyme now. We have a Telugu rhyme, we have a Hindi rhyme, and we have an English. So English rhyme we have finished, Hindi rhyme we have finished, and today we are going to learn Telugu new rhyme. Okay, so shall we start with English, Telugu, Hindi, or Hindi, Telugu, English? Right, first we'll start with our Hindi as our language starts. Our national language is Hindi now. So now we'll start our Hindi rhyme. Okay. Barish aayi, cham cham. Right? Barish aayi, cham cham. लेकर छाता निकले हम पानी में जाकर फिसल पड़े छाता ऊपर हम नीचे ओके छाता ऊपर ओके once more Hindi rhyme right बारिश आई छमछम लेकर छाता निकले हम पानी में जाकर फिसल पड़े छाता ऊपर नीचे हम right this is our Hindi. Now we'll go to a Telugu rhyme right about Danima Pandu. What is Danima Pandu? Pomegranate right it is pomegranate anar right okay now shall we start okay Danima Pandu ninnu okay దానిమ్మ పండు నిన్ను చూడగానే నోరూరుతుంది తిని చూడగానే అబ్బొక్క పులుపు తినను మీకు కావాలా ఎవరికి వద్ద పడేసాను okay so this Telugu rhyme you have to learn it right now we are going to a English rhyme right okay so we'll go to our English rhyme now we'll go to our English rhyme right aeroplane rhyme right okay aeroplane up in the sky where are you going flying so high over the mountains over the sea aeroplane please take me. Okay, so this is our rhyme of aeroplane. Next, another is dip, 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 my blue ship. Okay, my big blue ship. Okay, right? Dip, 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 my big blue ship. Dip, 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 my big blue ship. Sailing in the water like a cup and saucer. Sailing in the water like a cup and saucer. Dip, 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 my big blue ship. Dip, 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 my big blue ship. Okay, so these two rhymes you have to learn again. Right, ma? And this will be your examination. On the examination day, oral examination day, you have to say all this. Okay, ma? Right, bye. Right, we have another oral GK questions. Right, so for that GK question, the other day we have done it. Right, I have asked it. I have made you oral also. Right, now again the same you have to learn. Okay, on the examination point the teacher will ask you, you have to say. Okay, the answer. When do we celebrate Children's Day? When do we celebrate Children's Day? Very good. It is 14th November. Right? When do we celebrate Children's Day, children? On 14th November. Right? Where is your school located? Where is your school located? Alvin Colony, Kukatpalli. Right? Where is your school located? Alvin Colony, Kukatpalli. Right? Then what is your correspondent name? Mr. Ravinder Rao Surabi. Right? What is your correspondent name? Mr. Ravinder Rao Surabi. Okay. What is your name of the principal? What is the name of your principal? Mrs. Durgavani ma'am. Right? Mrs. Durgavani ma'am. Who invented ice cream? Nero. Who invented ice cream? Ice cream. It is very happy not to hear the name of ice cream. Everybody like it. From the small to the old people like ice cream very much, right? So where this ice cream is invented? In Nero, right? Okay, children, will you all learn all this, ma? Okay, so now bye, all the best.